We have some wonderful news to share with all of you Tesla enthusiasts. Elon Musk, the renowned super genius, met with Yoon Suk-yeol, the president of South Korea, lately, indicating that Tesla is formulating plans to work with Korea. There are also rumors that their meeting is a covert indicator that the Gigafactory giant for electric vehicles is planning to construct a sizable facility in the land of the morning calm. Do you want to learn more about this? Then follow us as we dissect the theories using ludicrous amounts of proof. Although Tesla originally used the word Gigafactory to refer to its locations where batteries were manufactured, it currently refers to all of their locations independent of the facility where batteries are built. The first one was created in 2016 and was built in Nevada. Currently, Tesla operates 5 gigafactories worldwide. 3 are located in the United States, 1 in China, and 1 in Germany. The location of the 6th one has been a topic of discussion for a while now. It appears that Elon Musk has responded to our query at last. We had a lot of misgivings when Tesla CEO Elon Musk and South Korean President Yoon Suk-yeol met in Washington, D.C., but now that the two have finally spoken out, it is clear that Tesla will build a gigafactory in Korea. Still don't believe us? All right, have a peek at this. As per the report by Yonhap, a Korean news agency, the president's comment that South Korea boasts world-class manufacturing robots and an advanced labor force, making it an ideal location to run a gigafactory, was the major topic of discussion during their meeting summary. Not only that, though, should Tesla decide to invest, we will provide active support in terms of location, workforce, and taxes. Yoon Suk-yeol was reportedly cited as saying. The same information was also shared on Twitter by a user, and fans are ecstatic. The news agency reported that Musk added that he would travel to South Korea, and that the country was still a top contender to host a gigafactory. In order to explore the possibility of building a new gigafactory in Korea, which was already on Tesla's shortlist of possible locations, Yoon and Musk virtually met in November of last year. At first, Yoon and Musk were scheduled to meet in person in Bali, Indonesia, during the B20 summit. They had intended to meet virtually, but since Musk was unable to go to Bali, the meeting was canceled. Yoon said during that conversation that Korea had a top-notch car industry and that the country would work to tighten regulations to facilitate international investment. Although the conversation is not documented, it appears that he was more explicit in this instance, providing Tesla in particular with direct assistance rather than extensive government regulation. In response, Musk reportedly stated that he would travel to South Korea, and that the country is still a strong candidate for a gigafactory. We also gained some insight into the situation from the presidential office's publicly posted statements. According to the report, the two brains had a conversation on technological innovation on a worldwide scale, as well as specific strategies for investing and collaborating on the manufacturing of electric vehicles in Korea. Yoon stated that Korea has excellent investment opportunities and a top-notch automobile sector ecosystem when Elon Musk informed him about his ambitions to construct a gigafactory. In response, Musk said that he believes Korea offers some of the best investment opportunities and that he will make his decision after closely considering investment criteria such labor availability, technology improvements, and Asian candidates' production environments. Or, at any rate, that was the assertion made at the time. But there were reports at the time that Tesla was thinking about constructing a gigafactory in Mexico or Canada. Tesla even said that it would build a gigafactory in Mexico, which may have put an end to rumors about possible locations. However, a lot has transpired since the virtual meet, and Tesla has to modernize and establish gigafactories in other places, given the predicted tremendous development of electric vehicles in the future years. According to statistics, Tesla hopes to sell 20 million cars by 2030 and hopes to grow sales by 50% a year for the foreseeable future. In such case, it would be more important than ever for Tesla to develop gigafactories across the globe. And where better to begin than in Asia? Without a question, Korea is becoming a major force in the EV industry. Two of the largest manufacturers of electric vehicles to come out of Korea are Hyundai and Kia. Korean battery manufacturers, such as LG Chem, Samsung SDI, and SK also work with many automakers across the globe. Even though Tesla now has a factory in Shanghai, the business would greatly benefit from the opening of a Gigafactory in East Asia. That is where half of the population resides, after all. A new Gigafactory would be ideally located in South Korea because to its highly skilled workforce in the robotics, smartphone, and automotive industries. Not to mention that the nation's EV industry is thriving. The nation's EV industry leadership can be attributed to a confluence of factors, including government support, technological advancements, and a robust automotive sector. The government has also put in place a number of programs to encourage the use of EVs, such as tax breaks, financial assistance, and research and development expenditures. The EV industry has grown in South Korea as a result of these policies forcing corporations to make investments in it. Due to factors including growing worries about air pollution and the desire for more environmentally friendly transportation options, consumer demand for EVs is likewise growing significantly. Now, taking everything into account, this is most likely the ideal moment for Tesla to work with the nation. According to a regulatory filing, L&F Co., the top battery component manufacturer in South Korea, also consented to pay $2.91 billion to supply Tesla Incorporated with the cathode, an essential part of batteries for electric vehicles. Accordingly, L&F will provide Tesla and its affiliates with high-nickel cathode for a period of 2 years, starting on January 1, 2024, and ending on December 31, 2025. As an added bonus, L&F is among the top 3 cathode makers in Korea, in case you were unaware. The business claims that the deal's value is subject to change based on how much lithium prices fluctuate and was calculated using L&F's most recent cathode sales pricing. I mean, $2.9 billion is a big sum. Musk previously declared that, in his opinion, Korea is among the best places to invest. He plans to make his decision after thoroughly assessing investment prerequisites like labor, technology, and Asian candidates' production environments. Additionally, he declares his intention to actively participate in Korea's infrastructure for electric vehicle charging, asserting that Tesla continues to leverage Korea's excellent components in areas related to artificial intelligence and autonomous driving. With everything in mind, there is a good chance that Tesla will construct a new, enormous Gigafactory in Korea. The issue was even addressed by Tesla Economics, who tweeted, "Tesla South Korea Gigafactory could be coming soon at Elon Musk." Well, aside from this, is there any further proof we need? Guys, what are your thoughts? Is a Gigafactory being planned by Tesla in Korea? Please share your opinions in the space provided for comments below. In addition to Tesla, the president expects that Korea would work with SpaceX. President Yoon added, "I hope that our cooperation with SpaceX will further expand to foster Korea's space industry." Korean businesses are prepared to participate in Mr. Musk's new venture, which includes Starlink services. Sources claim that SpaceX hopes to work with Korean telecom company KT Corp to introduce its low Earth orbit satellite communication service, Starlink, in Korea. Industry insiders further assert that KT stated that talks regarding the launch of a Starlink service are ongoing between SpaceX and the massive Korean telecom company. Elon Musk will eventually have something to do with Korea, even though we don't know how much of that is true. More than anything, the nation is eager to work with Musk and Tesla. President Yoon reportedly stated, "The government will do our best to support the investment if Tesla, SpaceX, or other companies are considering more investment in South Korea, including constructing a Gigafactory," according to press sources. "We're working on a customized strategy to give these particular businesses some benefits." He went on to say that the country is definitely eager to sponsor the venture. Retail investors in South Korea have acquired $2.8 billion worth of Tesla stock by the end of 2022. Additionally, the Korean Securities Depository disclosed that in 2017, local day traders acquired $160 million worth of Tesla shares. President Yoon declared during the discussion that if Tesla decides to go ahead with the investment, he would aggressively help the company in terms of location, people resources, and taxes. Here is a list of items to think about if we are to examine and draw a conclusion. At this point, President Yoon will stop at nothing to help Musk establish a partnership with Korea. And Musk wants to work with Korea on more than just Tesla. He also wants to work with them on SpaceX and other technologies. Thus, the likelihood of a Gigafactory opening in Korea is very slim. Is Tesla planning to build a Gigafactory in Korea then? Maybe we should hold off and find out. It is currently only a matter of time. Where should the second Tesla Gigafactory be located? Please share your thoughts in the space provided for comments below. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel if you liked this video. Press that notification button and continue to watch for more information similar to this.